Hey everybody, thanks for joining in. We're doing something a little different today, a little more maintenance. Had a problem on this tractor. It's a Massey Ferguson 253. We've had it since it was brand new in 91. It's got a loader on it, and this was our main tractor for years, and we've just worn the quick couplers out. It's got two different types. These are just regular old Pioneer hookups. I went and bought a new set. It's got them from Orscheln. It's a VP 4000-4, which it's actually a 4050-4 coupler, and then the nipple that goes with it. So this has a mount on it where you pull the rears, slide the male into the female, and then push it back in, and it locks. Well, it was just dumping oil out like crazy. So what we've done is we've actually removed these couplers, and here's the new one. We just Teflon tape this, and or Teflon tape the male end, screw this on, put this back together. So we're going to do that. Let me just come over here and video this.
Why?
And I can edit all this stuff. So this has a rubber fitting or rubber O-ring in it. This doesn't need any kind of sealant on it. This is what it looked like. It has a 90-degree piece on it. We unscrew these two, which is the coupler and the adapter to go to the hose. You know, that needs to be Teflon taped. We got it in the vise here. So it's real simple. Yeah, buddy. Huh? Yeah, buddy. What's that? You got a sticker?
Yeah.
So you just Teflon tape it. Put this dude on here. Adjustable wrench. Tighten her up. It's good and snug. So we'll just repeat for the same on the next one. All right, so all we have to do is make this connection. Somebody Teflon tape these, but you don't have to. They got a rubber O-ring in there. It's a different type of fitting. So we'll put the bottom one on first. Really doesn't matter. You could do either one. It's got a swivel fitting built into the hose itself. I can't remember the names of the fittings. There's like JIC, obviously there's NPT and things like that, National Pipe Thread, but there's JIC fittings and, which kind of crosses over to AN, but don't quote me. So we just snug those up. Then we'll pop the other one together. You got a hammer?
A hammer.
You bring a hammer in here. Remember, don't get your fingers. Watch your fingers.
A hammer. Bam, bam.
Bam, bam.
Yeah, I just.
All right, we snug them up there. You can see they got swivel fittings on them, so they move. All right, step back, buddy. Go beat on this. So this is the coupler that actually holds these units because the way they operate. So we're just going to go ahead and put them back together. Which may be easier said than done. What's what? Wham, wham, wham.
At this piece.
What do you got?
Police.
The police?
Rose. Three.
Dirty? You getting it? Watch your fingers, remember? You're okay.
Stay back, Paul.
Stay back, Paul.
Okay,
Stay
then.
back, Paul.
Get back, Gene.
Mom,
That's a long story about another time. My buddies, it's actually their story, but it's hilarious. Long story, probably not appropriate to talk about here. All I'm doing is snugging these collars up and allows these things to float inside here. There we go. Now it's a matter of getting this back on here. There. One. This one had a flat washer and a lock washer. Did you get up there, bud, by yourself?
Yeah.
Wow, be careful. Got those big boots on. Be careful. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, what?
That's more easy.
What?
That's it.
What's what?
That's it.
What's what? Am I watching?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So now they're active. You just pop them out, plug the male in, pop her back, and we're in business. So we're ready to go. Hopefully this keeps all this. Hey, buddy. Keeps all this nonsense from continuing to happen. That's it.
Yeah.